Hey art friends,
Hello!
we want to make with you an origami butterfly. If you've ever wanted to make an origami butterfly, we are going to show you a quick little origami butterfly design that you can try at home. You can use like origami paper, which you could get at an art store. In our case, we didn't have any today because Ainsley goes crazy with origami paper and has used it all. So we just found this one paper with blank on one side and a design on the other side, and we cut it into little squares.
And it's adorable.
And it's adorable. To make this design, you're going to start, and you're going to be working on the blank side. Do you already know how to do this one too? Because you just started going too. Let's just jump in, right?
Just a teeny
Let's just jump
bit,
in.
because a long time ago, Gigi made one with me.
Yeah?
It was like when I was 5.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to work on the blank side. And you're going to start by folding it in half all the way. I like to smash it down with my fingernail while I'm doing this. Anytime that I want a really good fold.
I do it with the side of my finger.
Yeah?
The side of my fingernail, actually.
That works too.
Although I don't.
Fingernails are good at smashing and doing folds. Okay, now we're going to fold it in twice.
Wow, it's like
We're
we're
going to
making.
meet that center fold line.
It's like we're making a fox head right now.
You know a lot more origami than I do.
It's just you do this, and then you make a house, and you make 2 houses, and then you start making the mo part and the ears.
The mo part.
Yeah, the mouth.
Okay. So now we've got this little folded shape. So we're going to fold this edge into the middle.
I don't know what the middle is, so I'm just gonna do it this
Yeah,
for a
you just
second.
try to guess. Or yeah, you could do that. That would give you a better idea where the middle
there
is,
it
right?
is. It's right where that one is.
Once you've folded that in, you're going to fold it back out.
Yep, and then you make your little house.
Open it back up. Cute little houses. Okay, did I lose you? Nope, you're still there. Okay, now we're gonna kind of fold this open.
Wait, so are we like this or like this?
I've got my paws pointing up,
Okay.
I guess. I don't know how much it matters though. I'm not sure. If you do it a different way, you might end up with a different design. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're kind of opening it up from the middle, which Ainsley's idea of folding it in half first, will probably help out with this. I'm trying to tell where it is. But see, we're kind of opening it up with the diagonal fold, and then we're gonna smash it open
Like
to
this.
create that kind of a
Alright.
shape. Trapezoid shape. Okay.
Do it to the other side.
Yep, now you're gonna do it one more time.
We're gonna have a cool little baseball shape. I don't know.
Fold it open all the way.
What? Like this?
Yeah. Oh, except I gotta match mine up to yours, huh? Okay, so like that. Alright, now you're gonna want to fold these ones down.
Oh no! It's growing legs.
It does kind of look like legs, huh?
We just need a head. Because these are the arms.
Good point. Good point. Alright, okay, so then after that one, we're going to fold this over.
Wait, what? Oh.
So sorry, the top part that we had, It's essentially, if you flip it over, you're just gonna fold this square shape in half. In half? In half.
In the happy.
Does that make sense?
Oh no. Oh no, it's a little, it's the front half of a dog.
You've got... Let's see. So we gotta pull this paper out a little bit. And then you're folding this square in half like that. Boop. There you go. That looks right. Okay.
Wait, Dad, look, if you turn it over, it's the front half of a dog. It's like it's running.
It does. Arf, arf, arf. Okay, there we go. So now that we've got this part, you're just gonna fold up these corners a little bit. So do you see which corners we're talking about? So it'd be right there. Just gonna fold those up just a little bit.
Like this much?
Yeah, yep, that's good. So just a little bit.
Like this.
Okay, and then the side with the folded parts that we just made, we're gonna fold that whole thing in half like this.
Wait, wait, it's like these are the girl's feet. These are her wings, and the girl is like, and these are her hands.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All
But
right.
she needs a head.
And then with this step, we're almost done. So now that you've got it folded in half, we're just gonna make another little fold that kind of goes like this. So it's just kind of folding a little corner of it, like that.
How do I fold it?
I know, it's getting so thick.
Oh my god.
Okay, so just fold it in half. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold. Did you got that already?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you're gonna hold your little folded part you made, and you're gonna take the other half and fold it around.
Wait, what? That's weird.
So when you open it up, you've got a butterfly shape.
Hello. Hello, friend.
You can, if you want, you could bend these other little butterfly wings. You could bend them a little bit if you want, one direction or another.
Ooh.
All right. What do you think?
I love
What do you think of your origami butterfly? It's a beautiful butterfly. So you can take your origami butterflies that you made, and you could, if you wanted to, you could hang like a little string, poke a little string through and hang them from your ceiling. Or you can just play with them, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Kind of a fun little origami design, right?
Yep.
Hey, thanks for making it with me.
Mm-hmm,
Hopefully you guys had fun too. If you want to share your design with us, your try, or if you made some other cool origami, you can share it with us. We'll put a link on the screen, which you can check out. Or you can check out some of our other videos where we do fun other art projects. So feel free to check them out. Leave any comments below if you have trouble working on some part, or if you have some other cool origami that you'd like to suggest. You can leave it in the comment section below. Feel free to subscribe so you can check out other cool, fun art projects that we do. But we hope you had fun. Origami can be frustrating for some people. Try not to be frustrated. It's something you just have to practice, right? To get good at. Because how many origami things have you made?
I have never counted.
She has never counted, but she has gone through packs and packs of origami paper. So I think it's safe to say she has like cleaned us out. Anyways, we hope you had fun.
Bye.
Nate and Ainsley signing out. We'll see you next time. Yes, it's possum because it has paws on it.
Okay. Should we start?
Okay, so
Okay, Dad, I have the remote. Watch this. So it's like, it's over here.
oh no, the butterfly is controlling
Yeah.
the video.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
this one's gonna push the button.
No.
So stay tuned.
Butterfly, ready, pulsar.
All right.
Are you doing the clicker? Already. Oh, you already pushed record? Yeah, once I clicked to that thing, I pushed it. Oh, okay. We're already recording. Alright.
Okay, can you turn it off?
Okay. Boop.
You didn't do it. You tricked me last time, so now I know what to expect. Okay, push the button.
Boop.
No, you gotta push it. You gotta push it.